Hey, what's up? How's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw the three Spider-Men from Spider-Man. Spider-Mans from No Way Home, the three of them, against Venom. It's going to be a standoff image, picture, drawing, and that's it. Good with three Spider-Man on this side and then one Venom on that side, okay? Or Venom on that side. So, let's get started, okay? First thing I'm going to do is start with the heads of the Spider-Man. Spider-Man. It's funny how you say it like plural. Gonna go in here. You can do it with whatever you want, by the way. Pencil, pen, doesn't matter. Line over here for the inside of the eye of one. Go up to the forehead. Continue up, curve around, down. Down back, over here. I'm gonna pull out a bit for the nose area. Down, pulling down for the chin, pulling back up. Before I do that, well, I'll draw the throat here, down. Before I really go into that though, I'm going to start drawing the other head shapes. So right here, I'll draw one right here. Curve here for the top of the head, down. Pulling forward here, curving in here for that shape he has for the nose, down, pulling in, and you can even change the shape a little bit, pulling back up. I can make it a little more rounder, softer. Down here at the bottom of the throat, down over here. Alright, and then let's say the other one would be kind of back here, right, like behind him, so you're not going to see his entire head. But let's just say his eye area is over here, like the eye with the dented in part for the eye, up for the forehead, curving back, down, forward here, down here, pulling in, back. So that one you're not seeing him that much. Maybe he's in the back here. Let's go into the faces. A lot of, from the side view, they're really close. Honestly, they're pretty much indistinguishable on the side view. But what you can do is you can kind of, make, so curve up here, down underneath, scoop in, up. Go over here on this side. Go underneath on this side. For here, this eye, we're going to find this eye in the back here. Eye over here. Eye over here, that one's going to be blocked by the Spider-Man in front of him. I'm going to go over here, draw a circle on the front. Line out. Line out. Line out. Line out. Line out. Line out. Line out here. Line out here. Line here. Line here. For kind of the pattern coming off from the Spider-Man. It's like coming off like a sun. It's all radiating from there. Line, line, line. Circle here at the front. Line over here, line over here, line over here. Here, same thing. It's coming off like the sun. They're all radiating from that center point. And they're all hugging the mask of the face right there. The surface of the face, the plane. Cool part about Spider-Man is it doesn't really matter kind of where. We'll draw a line across here. Doesn't really matter where we do it. Oh yeah, I forgot the Spider-Man in the back. It doesn't really matter the number of lines out there. So over here we're gonna go. These are the same on all of them. Find that circular point, but it's gonna be a web shape. So what you do is you follow this in a web pattern. Kind of, as long as it makes a circle on the front. Same thing over here. But over here, when it gets to the neck, you can just throw it like, do that. You can just kind of make it a checkerboard at the neck. But before that, over here, Daisy. before that, you can just do this web shape around, like he's wearing a mask, you know, like in a circular manner. Right there. Let's go over here, the one on the back. Alright. Let's thicken out the line on this Spider-Man because the other one is so... you want to make him obvious that he's in front, you know? Right here. You can kind of do the same thing with the one over here. I mean, I can't tell who's Tobey Maguire, who's Tom Holland, who's Andrew Garfield, but because they're all relatively similar, especially in that face area. Usually it's like their symbols that really change on their chest. So we have them over here, and then we have Venom on this side, okay? We're going to go over to Venom. I guess it's essentially like what would have happened if Venom at the end of the credits actually did something. Curve over here for the front of the face. Finding the lip on the front. Curving back. Line. Down. Teeth here. Teeth here. Teeth here. Teeth here. Because Venom is, you know, symbiote. We're just finding these triangle teeth over here. Let's find his eye. It's going to be wiggling up. And then a curve on the way down. Looks like a leaf. I mean, pretty much it's just his eye, but you can wiggle it around any which way you want, honestly. That's kind of the way I see it. Down over here. Lip. Down over here for the bottom of the jaw, the chin. And that's going to pull back up to the jaw. Line here, line here. Going to find the back of the head, and it's going to pull out over there. Because he's got like a big buff neck. He's a big buff dude. That's kind of what he's kind of been most of the time. Going to go over here, find the teeth coming up. And those are, again, regular triangles. Just kind of change up the size of them. Go over here at any point, pull out the tongue, pull it back, and then kind of see where, you know, it kind of fall into there with the whole teeth thing, right? Maybe fill in a little bit of the back here, a little bit, because it's kind of deep in the recesses of his mouth, so just a bit, but not all the way out. Let me find a split down here. Down. Line. That's pretty much it. That is Venom versus the 3 Spider-Man from No Way Home. Pretty simple. I think this one is a little bit more simpler than you think. It looks complicated here, but it's just because there's so many lines. They have like such a line network because of that outfit. But the outfit's really easy. I would always draw the lines on there thinner than I would the outer stuff, even if you have a pencil. But that's it. I'll see you in the next video, and I'll talk to you very soon. Stick around for the announcement. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have Same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.